Welcome to the world of animated cartoons. In this video, we'll explore how to create captivating animations using AI tools. First, let's start by sketching the characters. With AI tools, you can easily bring your ideas to life on the digital canvas. Next, we move on to animating the characters. AI tools provide powerful features to make your animations smooth and lifelike. Now, let's add some vibrant colors to our characters. With AI tools, you can experiment with different palettes and create stunning visuals. Backgrounds play a crucial role in setting the scene. AI tools offer a wide range of options to create immersive environments for your characters. Sound effects and music enhance the overall experience. AI tools allow you to easily add audio elements to bring your animations to life. Once your animation is complete, you can export it in various formats. AI tools make it simple to share your creations with the world.